The wolf and the lamb. Once a little lamb was a grazing on a meadow, along with a flock of sheep. Being very mischievous, that little lamb wandered some distance away from the sheep. It began to enjoy the fresh and delicious grass that it found there. It had come a long way from the it group, but was unaware of that. The lamb was also unaware of the another fact. A wolf was closely following it. When the lamb realized that it had lost its way and was far away from the flock, it decided to return and join them. However, the lamb was stunned to see hungry and cunning wolf standing behind it. The lamb realized that there was no option except surrender itself to the wolf. The lamb asked the wolf, "Are you going to eat me?" The wolf said, "Yes, at any cost." The lamb said again, "But can you please wait for some more time? I have eaten a lot of grass and now my stomach is filled with grass. If you eat me now, you will feel though you are eating grasses. So please wait until the grass is digested." The wolf agreed. "Oh, yes, I will wait. You are here before me, and I can wait for some more time." The lamb thanked the wolf. After some time, the wolf got ready to kill lamb, but the lamb stopped him again. "Dear wolf, please wait for some more time. The grass is yet to be digested. If you eat me now, you will see a lot of grass in my stomach. Let me dance, and then it will digest it easily." The wolf agreed. The little lamb danced gracefully for a while and suddenly stopped. The wolf inquired what had happened. The lamb said, "I cannot dance properly because there is no music. You see the bell around my neck. Can you untie this bell and write in loudly? Then I can dance fast, and the grass in my stomach also will get digested fast." The wolf, overcome with the desire to eat, and the lamb was ready to do anything. He removed the bell tied to the lamp neck and arranged it with all his might. Meanwhile, the shepherd was searching for the little lamb and heard the bell ringing. He was the wolf and the lamb. He ran toward the wolf with a stick. Seeing the shepherd with a stick, the wolf ran away and the lamb was saved. The physical strength is not sufficient. Sometimes weak people with a smart mind can overcome the physically strong ones.